Is it crooked? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Kate and I'm with Christina.
Hi everyone.
I always talk about her in my videos and I like show little clips of her, but she's never actually talked in my vlogs. So
here I am.
We're just taking like pictures and stuff today. Picked her up. She just moved into a new apartment. Well, she goes to school at BU. She was living at a different apartment and she just moved to another one, and I accidentally went to the old one because I'm so used to picking her up there. But we got some donuts at Blackbird Cafe, it's called?
Yeah, Blackbird Donuts. It's in Fenway.
I've never been here before, so we're gonna eat some donuts, take some pictures, and have ourselves a day.
I also got coffee because like obviously I need it as a prop for my pictures.
I know,
so.
of course.
I think I'm gonna start with the glazed one, honestly, because I'm like a little hesitant about the
peach
jelly,
one.
the peach jelly. Okay. Oh my gosh, I didn't get the napkins at Starbucks.
Oh, I have wipes.
Oh my gosh, she's so prepared. A prepared queen. Also, not me waiting to drink my drink, so it looks good in the pictures. It's worth it. It's like
cute. Mukbang. I don't even know.
I literally don't understand anything about that. Like I don't even know what it means. Oh my gosh, cheers. It's really good.
It's so dense.
They're like very like bouncy. Also our matching sweatsuits, should we tell them?
I know. I wore a cherry sweatsuit, but I took the top off because I'm like dying. It's so hot and humid today. And she's wearing a Summer Fridays, of course. She's like the CEO of Summer Fridays. I talk about it all the time.
Like I wish.
I'ma tell you one time. You're fine.
Do you get copyrighted for this?
Only if I do like more than 30 seconds, but I do like the Drive With Me playlist videos all the time. It doesn't even matter.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm not monetized yet.
Can we skip this one? Because I can't sing to it. This is my favorite part. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's my favorite part. He's like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's my favorite part. This one's for you, Billy. This one's for you, Billy and Zach. Why are we both doing that? Like, I sound like a bird. Young Money.
Young Money.
Justin!
Hi guys, it is now a week later. It's now Friday. The last time I vlogged, I was with Christina. We got donuts, and that was last Friday. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's so weird. Time is going by so fast. I decided that I'm going to make this vlog like the end of summer vlog, like a few days in my life. Yeah, so today is Friday. I'm gonna make a little yogurt parfait right now. I've just been obsessed with yogurt parfaits at the moment, and I made some homemade pumpkin spice granola. This is the first time that I've ever made granola, and it came out so freaking good. And if you want to try the recipe, I posted it on my food account yesterday, so I will put it on the screen and you can follow me. Go check out the recipe because it's literally so good. And pumpkin spice season is finally here, and I don't drink coffee. Like I don't drink pumpkin spice lattes or anything of that sort, but I do love pumpkin, and I'm like so excited for fall. This vlog is kind of sad because summer is like basically almost over. Next week is gonna be September, which is so weird. I'm just gonna make a little yogurt bowl. I just got this new yogurt. I'm gonna try it for the first time. It's the Pillars coconut yogurt, organic probiotic coconut yogurt. So I'm gonna try this. I have some blueberries, some honey, which I'm obsessed with this little bottle of honey. It's so cute. And I have the granola here. You need to try it if you are obsessed with pumpkin and pumpkin spice flavored anything, because it's just, oh my gosh, it's so good. This was the first time I ever made granola, and I was so surprised as to how easy it was, and it was so fun. And I'm definitely going to be making more in like a ton of different flavors because it was actually really fun to make. But this is a little snack, and I will probably see you guys later. Good morning. It is Saturday, August 28th. Me and Zach just had to run to his house. He has to do something at his house really quick. It's such a cloudy day today. I thought this weekend was supposed to be sunny and nice, but it's actually really cloudy. The plan for today, we're probably gonna go to dinner later. I brought a smoothie with me because you guys know that I'm obsessed with that green smoothie. If you watch my videos or keep up with me on my food account, the smoothie is like literally my life. So I took it with me, But yeah, we're probably gonna go to dinner later, maybe lunch, I don't know. I just want this weekend to be really eventful because summer is coming to an end and I just don't want to take it for granted. And it's already 12 o'clock, so we have to get a move on and see what we're doing. So it's a little bit later right now. Me and Zach are going to dinner at a place called Real Gusto, I think it's how you say it. Christina actually mentioned it to me because she said it was really good. It's an Italian place. Zach's not really happy about that because he doesn't want to go to an Italian place for some reason. He wanted to go to Outback, which
I love Outback. Yeah.
we literally go to Outback so many times.
They're literally so good.
And I just didn't want to go there, so we're going there. It's only 66 degrees out. I'm literally in a flannel and jeans and sneakers, and it feels like fall. And I'm happy and sad about it at the same time.
Yeah, with an espresso shot.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Me and Zach just went to Blackbird Donuts again. I was here in the beginning of the vlog and it was so good that I wanted to take Zach. He just ran inside to go to the bathroom. So I'm waiting for him to get back and I want to see what he thinks of them because they're so good. The restaurant last night was really good. I got pasta bolognese and Zach got chicken marsala. I think it was really good, and we got some cannolis for dessert. But here are our donuts. Zach got a Boston cream donut. I got a triple chocolate again like I did last time, and then I think we just got one regular chocolate one. But I'm so excited because I'm super hungry right now. Don't mind the background. Here's yours. We should have got napkins.
I might save mine for later.
Yes, he stirs.
Why?
I don't know, it's a little early to have a donut. I don't really eat until like 11.
Just have a bite.
I might save mine for later. Is that the triple
Isn't it so
chocolate?
Yeah. Just have a bite.
Alright, ready? Cheers.
Did you get the cream?
No.
Mine tastes like a piece of cake. Better than Dunkin' Donuts?
I don't know, honestly. Dunkin' Donuts
Why?
is good. Like, Dunkin' Donuts is kind of good.
Their donuts are like airy.
Yeah, this is like a thick donut.